Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananum shegu edigu on my
And then Mate Assembly e City FM na anopa we okwa Twitter edin kekeli trendy e Twitter edin kekeli trendy e bia na wonim de nti a kekeli din no trendy e story bia say kekeli no ne maame interview bia woni City FM for ye na utie story na etie for obesu me a mete he kra no ne kra ne nyame anim meni me kasa sisi akra meni ate a menya so amesu na oman we don't value life. Ghana say nipa nkwa we don't value ya akola we did 13 years. Now let me take a story. Let me take you guys back to somewhere last 2 months. I think last month, because for me personally, how I saw this campaign and they say sa akodie Ghanaian musician sa akodie and I will be posti akola no sa akodie ka say akola bi we did 13 wenya brain tumor na e was ekoye ne surgery say ye de sika twese wo mo behia ebetu dwa ma Ghana fo ni na esore ye contribution ma akola no ma wonya ska no na wo mo be kan say akola no wo koye surgery no wo kolebu Ghana fo ye ne giye say ye de sika no ama akola no nya ska na wo de akoye surgery later wo ye surgery ni we ye say 2 days later na the family babo ntembe ka say akola no wewu ye Ghana fo ya na akola ne din e de kekeli Michael Kofi ana Kofi Michael kekeli say a lot of people on social media now say ye ne use then a lot of people on social media I mean so ma ye ne ye dia but a lot of people on social media e post akola ne picture because na ya we share the videos of akola now to me who say very lively actually say what na no brofo a otumu say akola we akola bia wa ben etiefo na ende na ne maame City FM wo be kan story na wotie story ane maame kan se ne akola no wowu ya simple and short assembly ni na ene say akola no surgery na ye no it was successful but systems are work wo Ghana eno nti ena akola wa femu ewu na ya akola we mpu de ono ne de no mpu no de si ye ne say say na ne mami nim doctors bi wo kolebu ho nti ono mpu de ansa na obekọ kolebu no yetumi secure empa ema no ye secure empa ema akola yi na ye bibie ewie atrese surgery no kra no ansa na nti from the point where akola no ye be ye ne surgery no doctor na obeye akola ne surgery doctor no yobi a wa bempa doctors no mo kolebu ho no mo aben school a wo mo koye ne nyama mo aben nti doctor no wa ben ye but not 2 ways and akola no wo be ne surgery either say wo mo de efidie bi ebe fa ne hwenim na wo mo yi brain tumor no ana say wo mo be pan ni trim nti wo mo decide no mo ka say well wo mo fa mfidie ne fa ne hwenim na sa mfidie na ye de fa ne hwenim kra na ye se kolebu hospital ho wo mo ne bi doctor bi na wo hwe o se wa say wo hwe neurosurgical department pa na simple tools ye de be ye surgery kra ye ni bi doctor no ono na to ye say and the young doctors no obi ba ya yen use o ma hwe abanye nim wo mo fa equipment mbra wo bi chese wo mu ni sa tool ne kra wo mu use ye ne kra na enhye da anye the latest tool but one wan koka aban kran ton ma wo ye na wan kasa wo di usika na wa akoto enti sa tool yi na doctors yi use ye ema akola no omu yi ma no ne ho to no na fe to me kasa but he was getting some complications some say wo benya infections bi ema mo koto eduro ene nyama ma no ntom koto eduro ne nyama ma no na still doctors no monitor na omu hu ne say dabi asa sisi ana akola no asa insio aba begina ne mu Nti doctors ne said dabi. I was say akola ne yekotwa ne scan as soon as possible. Na yehwe na yehu se ne ye be solve that problem no, because obi anim say after surgery no etumi ba say you get complications. But ne nemu no so hu ne ntemu a doctors for no ebetumi asolve amount. Etiefo assembly ni na no. Assembly na maame ne say omo ya akola ne surgery ewie ye kra empa na akola ne da so no the whole hospital sa mpa ne ye 4 pe nti na afi wo say ye yi akola ne free sa mpa ne so because obi nso na sama ba serious a e wo say ye de mpa no koma say nipa pro no to bi a wa ye surgery ewie ye be yi ne free sa surgery mpa ne so o wie ya ho na ye say mpa ne ye 4 pe nti ye srew ye agi Etiefo ho kolebu na onim dia me ya ene say neuro you can neuro if you are talking about neurosurgical department the least thing you need to be having x-rays ne sanyama no nti obi ba na bia tumor bi woni trim neurosurgery so it deals with the spine na o spine no sabe bibi wo a me ya scan scan all types of scans ewo ho na nka ya hwe na yehu ne so okay problem ni de ma akola no complications ba ya enam so bi a wa ye surgery awie ana nka wo ye surgery wo se wo da na relax na nyama complications ba ya akola no wo be fe mu hu ye ene se na fe scan na wo se ye kotwa akola no bebi a ye kotwa akola ne scan na ewa nti e wo se ye de no etwi no I was say ye chi akola no free neurosurgical department ho a different department. Asa na ye kwa ho se ye koye ne scan. Neurosurgical ma me ne say neurosurgical department ho bi pie ni ho tre say e was say wo mo scan no. Edu baby one of the scans na omo ye no they had to go outside Kolebu a private hospital. And anke was na omo koye sa scan no. They had to go to a private hospital, one of the scans, because scans no need also x-ray ni nemu, you say be MRI, you say and also ni nemu scans be brave. Scans ni bi. Umuntu anya wo Kolebu because you see fidie ni ho. Sina e was say ye dey akola no call outside of the hospital. Nini na stress. Akola no oh ma bre me ni su chimi ma ene se ne ayekon but they had no choice because as soon as possible doctor no share as the insure na babeji na akola ni mu no ebetumi edinewu nti ehon na yankoya scan na yenhwe se ne ebe solve no nti they had no choice than to send akola no tintini ni tietie mu later akola no be fe mu wuye. Now if we talk and we tell you people say this country needs to be fixed. Now baby Sam say which sector? Ujina minima na nka say me pe body shoe trim because wo ba omba baby sasa asem way. You can say this country needs to be fixed. Now they with the year politics say ane and your politics. Baby ujina was say ye pe dade ye the shoe trim because to me nko kasa ade way e wo maami nenim. Negligence, simple scant infidie na nke bo bebia ye akra ne surgery sa department na nkuya kwa hano say ye de na ekọ ha na nke ho na ne aye ne scan yesi o mumfa we mbra e ho na ne aye ne scan yesi o ene ye beye we e ho na ne aye ne scan yesi o yenye we enimu ho na nke solve problem no ba ye de akola no enam ye de na chinchin. Esi ekodu baby one department bi ewo Kolebu ho na omo koya akola ne scanner health practitioners a womo wo ho omo si o masa ye nye juma omo say no omo ma excuse bi o said yen omo person beye na akola no ka he was lucky because na doctors ne penasem nti doctors na ejinem e ma akola no doctor ni jinemu doctor ne kra no health practitioners omo for doctor no up. Until said Dr. Penny ebe freye ansa no mo beka so okay mo de mo fa ne bra ne yen scan no na fe ma minute no say hey Awurade Yesu Kristo. Iti nipa kwa pa na kyerɛ sɛ yɛde di agorɔ wɔ man we mu sei. Now we put there a story about abontin a yɛkan. The number of people a wɔn kɔ hospitals akɛseɛ te sɛ Kolebu a wɔn face things like this no. Ɛnyɛ me wawa. Say after 4 years in governance, coronavirus, a chief finance minister, or say okwa abrochi hospital no, afiansa we hu ne say Ghana, e was say ye disika e share ye health sector mu. Nyankopon ene be bisa ye na.